Hello developers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about nested layout in Next.js. So, let's dive in. In the previous video, we explored layouts. These are components of the user interface shared across multiple pages in an application. Each app must have a mandatory root layout located in the app folder. It's crucial to understand that layout can be nested. For instance, if you aim to create a layout dedicated to the comments of a post page, you can achieve this by generating a layout.tsx file within the post ID folder. Now, within the post ID folder, let's create a new file called layout.tsx. I will create the code for a simple React component. In this layout, I've included a string heading saying this is fix. Returning to the browser and navigating to the root at localhost 3000. You will observe the root layout, which compares the header and footer but excludes the comments for post layouts. Similarly, accessing posts and posts 1 and post 1 comments and post 1 comments, for example 3. You will observe the root layout, which compares the header and footer but excludes the comment for post layouts. Similarly, accessing post will yield the same behavior. However, when navigating to a specific post or comments for post, for example, post 1 comments 3 or for example, post 1 comments 2, you will notice the this is fix section. This is because of the rendering process. The root layout within the app folder is rendered first, including the children prop representing the post ID folder. The post ID folder in turn has its own layout, replacing the children prop in the root layout. Finally, the page.tsx file in the post ID folder replaced the children prop in the post ID layout, resulting in the display of details about the specific post and then the post comments. This nested layout approach allows us to create layout applicable only to specific areas of our application. The visualization of nested layout in the new app router for localhost 3000 is represented in layout.tsx within the app folder, rendered for the post page.tsx. The replace children props in the root layout. For post 1, the layout file replaces the children prop in the root layout, now containing post comments. Finally, page.tsx in the post ID folder replaces the children prop in the post ID layout file, showcasing the header and footer from the root layout, post comments from the nested layout, and comment for post from page.tsx. The key takeaway is that NextJS app router supports nested layout, provide flexibility and customization. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.